Hey, what's up YouTube? September the 28th. I'm on my last job of the day. This is a repeat client. We cleaned her place of business about a month ago. No, I'm sorry, her home about a month ago. Now she has us out here at her place of business. You can definitely see the carpets are coming clean. She said these carpets are about a year old. She had them installed brand new, and she's going to keep them maintained once or twice a year. And they're definitely looking better. There's not that much carpet. I just did 3 of the spa rooms, the little area back there. So I'm just working myself back. Show you guys what I'm doing. So I'm about to do this area. So you got about 5 more rooms to clean. And you can see, guys, there is not much space in these rooms. So that's really about it. All I'm doing, a little hour-and-a-half job, charging her $300 to clean this. So that's pretty good for an hour-and-a-half. And that's what I'm going to be teaching guys and ladies how to make sure you make profit in a good amount of time in your cleaning business. Because remember, time is money. But guys, something else. Yeah, guys, look at that. These carpets are definitely coming clean. Well, cleaner. They were not bad. But something else, guys, is it's pretty cool in here. I mean, it's kind of cold in here, which is good. There's no pad under this carpet. Right now, what is it? Got it set on 60, say 72. It's definitely more than 72 in here. I mean, less than 72. It feels like maybe about 64 in here. But anyway, guys, even when you're cleaning carpets and you're not using a lot of pressure, the carpets don't seem as soiled, or they're not as soiled as some carpets. Guys, still use your dry stroke method. Let me show you guys why. Okay. I'm cleaning these carpets about 400 PSI. Alright, now watch this. See that, guys? There's a lot of water still coming out these carpets. And that's why it's good to also have a wand with a window on it. That's why I like the Devastator wand. So I can still see that excess moisture come out of the carpet. You see that? The more you pull out, the faster the carpets are going to dry. Alright guys, I'm going to finish up here. Like I said, maybe about another 45 minutes. Be it done. And be off for the rest of the week. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, YouTube.